Hey everybody, this is going to be a review of my Coach Minetta that I got from the Coach outlet about 3 years ago for my birthday. So I got this in September of 2017. This Coach Minetta, it is still on the website. I saw it. This is made in the Crossgrain leather. Start by showing you that it came with this crossbody strap, and I use this not all the time, but about half the time I use it. And if I'm shopping or something, because this is leather, it can get quite heavy if I'm holding it on my arm. So if I'm shopping for like an hour or so, then that's when I use the crossbody strap. But for 3 years old, this bag still looks very well to me. It's held up pretty well. I've used the Coach leather cleaner and the moisturizer that I got from the outlet. You can see that glazing is still intact. Maybe you can see this. Let me see it, bring it up closer. The handles look well. So this is how it looks inside. It's got two sections. A zip pocket in the back. The wear on this, on the hardware, has been really good. There's been no scratching or loss of color on the gold, what do they call it, the light gold part of the hardware. For 3 years now, because I have definitely been using this thing. It's not a small bag, but it's not a large bag either. And I think it was cute and classy and stylish, and of course, black and gold. That's my favorite combination. This is how it looks from the side. This is how it looks from the back. Doesn't have feet, does not have feet. And when I store it, I have a lot of like tissue paper, whatever in here. And then the dust bag. It has a magnetic magnetic closure here with a slip pocket here. There's no pocket, slip pocket, or anything on the back. But the only wear that I've seen, I don't know if you can get this. Hold on, let me see if I can get the camera to zoom in. Hold on. Is the wear on the snap. You see the scratches? Can you see that? A lot of scratches on, there it is. Yeah, there it is. Now that has happened. That's my fault. Let me unzoom it. Those scratches, they happened because I think all those scratches happened like maybe on one or two different occasions where I had the bag closed, but I didn't have the snap. See, there's a snap closure. I didn't have the snap snapped, even though it's magnetic. They were, can you see that? They were just rubbing against each other. So when I was walking, they would just like rub. So now I make sure that the snap is snapped. But yeah, this Coach Minetta, it is still on the website. I saw it as of August 2020. Minetta is still on the website. So if you are interested in getting Coach Minetta, I would highly recommend it. It's a nice bag, very nice, classy, stylish look, and I'll show you what fits in there.